Welcome back to another BUC-EE'S construction video update. Today's Sunday, December 29th, 2024. The weather outside's not so good. That's why we're doing this in the car. A lot of rain out there today. Surprisingly, we were able to get the drone up for a very short flight just to kind of take a look at things. Temperature-wise, about 55 degrees. Really nice day as far as temperature goes. Just a lot of rain, and later on it's supposed to get a lot of wind. So
yeah, I had to do it before we got to that wind.
If we were going to get the drone flight in, we were very lucky. We had to get it done. And according to the radar, there wasn't going to be a window, but there was, so we took it. Not a whole lot to see from the drone today. It looks like they are putting a liner in the hole they dug for the underground fuel tanks. Other than that, there's a lot of mud out there. What about those power poles, Sonia?
Still there. Haven't moved yet.
Not sure what the plans are, but they are going to have to move eventually. So
I thought they would have done that already, but I don't know.
I'm sure there's reasons for it, but they're still in place. So it's probably going to be a much shorter video than normal, but we were lucky to get anything in today with the weather.
Yeah, because as we're talking to you right now, it's pretty well raining a little too hard for that drone to go up in the air.
Yeah. Now, one thing that we did add to this week's video, we got a new Insta 360 camera, so we kind of did a drive by the fence. Sonia held it out at full extension. I'm not quite sure how tall that is, but she didn't let it go, so that was a good thing. Kind of give you a different angle, a different perspective with that camera.
Yeah, it's a nice camera.
So that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.